This recipe is perfect for your lunch or dinner idea. Egg curry is flavorful, cheap to prepare and delicious, just what you need. The recipe is for 3 people, so I bet you have all the ingredients in your pantry. So I'm going to start off by placing a small pot over medium heat. Wait for the water to come to a boil. Add in a pinch of salt. This is going to help me while peeling the eggs. I'm going to hard boil my eggs for around 10 minutes, and if you love your yolks a little bit runny, you can boil for 6 minutes. Eggs are a very good source of protein which our body needs from day to day, so I used $1 for my eggs, that is 100 Kenya shillings. Once my eggs are cooked, I'm going to transfer them to a cold bath to cool for around 2 to 3 minutes. So I simply used cold tap water. You can also use some chilled water from the fridge. I'll place a bigger pot for my curry over medium heat and add cooking oil. Add in both green onion and red onion. Add in 4 crushed cloves of garlic and stir. Cook until the onions are soft and the garlic is fragrant. Once ready, I'm going to add in some carrots and potatoes since both take time to cook. Stir in and add in 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, turmeric and black pepper. Give everything a stir for about a minute until the potatoes and carrots are coated with the nice aromatic spices. You can check the description box for the full quantity of the ingredients. Add in 3 diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon tomato paste and a seasoning cube. Stir and cook for around 3 minutes or until the tomatoes are cooked through. Add in a cup of water. This is going to help our potatoes and carrots cook halfway. Because I chopped my potatoes a little bit smaller, they are going to take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook halfway. So the time varies depending on the size of your chopped potatoes. As the potatoes are cooking, I'm going to peel my eggs by tapping on my countertop to break the egg shell. Using a spool, I'm going to get under the shell and remove the shell, which easily comes straight off since I added a pinch of salt to my boiling water, and I also placed my eggs in a cold bath. As I peel, I'm going to place the eggs on a clean plate. Check on my pot. This smells absolutely amazing and the water has reduced to a very nice gravy. Add in my peeled eggs to my pot, stir and cook for around 1 minute. This is to let all the nice aromatic flavors and seasoning soak into the egg. Add in a cup of water and stir. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked through and the gravy is nice and thick. I'm going to check on my pot, and this is how my egg curry is looking. You see the wonders the potatoes have added. My sauce is extra creamy and looking very delicious, and also the potatoes are cooked through. At this point, you're going to check if the seasoning is perfect. If it's not perfect, you're going to add more seasoning to make an awesome and perfect egg curry. To garnish my egg curry, I'm going to add in some coriander, turn off the heat and stir. In about 30 minutes, I'm done cooking and my delicious egg curry is ready to serve. This egg curry is very versatile, so I love serving mine with some rice, with some chapati, naan or spaghetti. I used minimal ingredients to make my egg curry, so I hope you'll be trying out this budget-friendly and delicious egg curry.